Hey there, space enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where today we're diving into the mind-blowing universe and exploring some of the most expensive and fascinating things out there. From antimatter to distant star systems, buckle up for an incredible journey through space. Alright, let's get started. Segment 1, Antimatter, the grandiose mystery. Alright, folks, let's kick things off with the grandiose mystery of antimatter. Discovered in 1930, antimatter is like the elusive twin of matter. Scientists theorized its existence when they found electrons, thinking there should be an opposite, the positron. Fast forward, and now we know about antiparticles for protons and neutrons too. When matter meets its evil twin, they collide, releasing tons of energy, way more than a nuclear reaction. But here's the catch, it takes a whopping 100 billion years to create just 1 gram of antimatter using the Large Hadron Collider. And the cost? A mind-blowing 62 trillion bahts. We're not even close to making that much. Talk about expensive stuff in the universe. Segment 2, Space Observation, Objects from Other Star Systems. Moving on to space observation, have you ever wondered about objects from other star systems visiting ours? So far, we've only seen 2, the Oumuamua asteroid in 2017 and the Borisov comet in 2019. These interstellar travelers give scientists a chance to study materials from potential galaxies far, far away. And hey, ever heard of a teardrop-shaped star? It's like a lava lamp in space. A dwarf star next to it distorts its surface, a phenomenon similar to what happens around black holes. Speaking of which, 215 million light-years away, a star got spaghettified by a nearby black hole, creating a cosmic spectacle that astronomers on Earth had to use dozens of telescopes to witness. Black holes are wild, aren't they? Segment 3, Survival Stories in Space. Now, let's talk survival stories in space. Imagine a red giant, 250 million light-years away, coming too close to a massive black hole, 400,000 times heavier than our Sun. Normally, it's game over when a black hole catches something, but this star pulled a Houdini, escaping with just its core. However, it's still in a cosmic tug-of-war with the black hole, losing mass over time. In about 1 trillion years, it might cool down and become a planet resembling Jupiter. Talk about an epic survival tale. Segment 4, Earthquakes Beyond Earth. Shifting gears a bit, let's talk about earthquakes beyond Earth. Moonquakes aren't just sci-fi, they're real, though not as frequent as on Earth. Mars also experiences quakes, challenging the idea that it's tectonically inactive. Imagine standing on Mars, maybe you wouldn't feel the quakes, but they're happening beneath the red, dusty surface. Space geology, who knew? Segment 5, Tidally Locked Planets and Iron Rain. Alright, space travelers, let's talk about tidally locked planets and iron rain. Picture this, a planet, WASP 76b, 640 light-years away, where it rains iron. This planet is so close to its sun that one side is scorching, melting metals, while the other side is cool enough for those metals to condense and fall as iron rain. Similar to our moon always showing us the same face, these tidally locked planets have fascinating climates. And hey, did you know Earth's moon doesn't have a dark side? It's just always facing us, revealing its secrets during solar eclipses. Space, you're full of surprises. Segment 6, Water Mysteries in Space. Now, let's dive into the mysteries of water in space. Water on Earth has always been a puzzle, But did you know it might have come from icy comets and asteroids? Scientists even conducted experiments heating organic matter found in space, resulting in clear water and oil. If confirmed, this means that water and even oil might have interstellar origins. And speaking of water, Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, hides a potential ocean beneath its frozen surface. But hold your excitement, liquid water is just one piece of the puzzle for life to thrive on other planets. Segment 7, Earth-like planets and the search for extraterrestrial life. Let's talk Earth-like planets and the search for extraterrestrial life. Did you know there could be around 6 billion Earth-like planets in the Milky Way alone? Scientists have identified stars with potentially habitable planets, and the habitable zone is crucial. Planets within this zone have the right conditions for life, and we've even discovered some super-Earths, larger and heavier than our home planet. Now, the big question, could there be extraterrestrial civilizations out there? We're scanning the skies for signals, but so far, it's a cosmic waiting game. Segment 8, Solar Eclipses, Cosmic Magic Tricks. Alright, stargazers, let's talk about cosmic magic tricks, solar eclipses. When the moon swallows the sun, it's not magic but simple science. Solar eclipses happen during new moons when the moon is closest to Earth. There are different types: total, partial, and annular. Total eclipses are the most spectacular, turning day into night for a brief moment. Remember the Great American Eclipse of 2017? Millions witnessed its magic. And guess what? We've got upcoming solar eclipses, so mark your calendars and get ready for more cosmic wonders. Segment 10, Upcoming Solar Eclipses and How to Safely Watch Them. Alright, astronomers, gear up for upcoming solar eclipses. The eclipse of the Andes in 2024 and the eclipse of the Arctic in 2025. And of course, a quick reminder on how to safely watch them: always use proper eye protection, find a good viewing location, and stay informed about the details. Segment 11, Super-Earth Planets, Are We Alone? Let's wrap up our cosmic journey with a peek into super-Earth planets. Imagine a star system similar to ours, with a red dwarf and several planets. One of which is a super-Earth called GJ 357d. It's in the habitable zone, making it an exciting prospect in the search for extraterrestrial life. But hold on, before we start packing our space bags, super-Earths are intriguing, but we're still exploring what their atmospheres and surfaces are really like. Are we alone in the universe? Conclusion. And there you have it, Cosmic Explorers. From antimatter mysteries to iron rain on distant planets, our universe is a treasure trove of wonders. As we journey through space, the quest for knowledge and the search for extraterrestrial life continue to drive our curiosity. If you enjoyed this cosmic adventure, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and, of course, subscribe for more mind-blowing space content. Until next time, keep looking up, and may your cosmic curiosity never fade away.